Good morning, everyone, for our Thursday morning video with Linda and today Mary.
I'm here too today. Hi.
And we are going to have Debbie come in too because
Hello.
she's back there because we have some very exciting things. Before I get started, you remember the shirt I was working on last week with the three little seahorses? It's all done. And if I can turn around without doing my microphone harm, you can see the starfish that we worked on too, and it turned out really, really well. That was the OESD design. Quite a few people asked me what it was, and it was called the Bohemian Seaside by Sharon Lee. And it's in, those of you that are in our Spree Club, it's in your June edition. So I hope you'll try it. It's really fun. I also forgot, that's why I put this big bag here.
What do you have there?
Well, these are all the different colors, but I didn't put them all in here. We have pink, yellow, purple, orange, green, every color you can imagine for not only elastic, but also for the twill tape. So many people like to tie. What?
Navy, black, white.
Oh, yeah. All the black, the navy, the white. That's really, really big, too. See, Debbie always keeps me on my toes. That's really good. Thank you, Debbie. But, Debbie, what's sitting in front of us? And why is Mary here?
My favorite new toy.
This is probably the most exciting thing we could ever imagine that is coming into our store. We have been waiting for this HP for a long time. And we want to thank you for making it so wonderful. We have been playing on this.
Yes.
We're going to do an unboxing of the new Bernina Airthreader Serger. So you're going to see some really, really fun things.
With a lot of pluses to it.
Yeah, so Mary, you're going to show us some of those things, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get this baby out and we'll start showing you what it will do.
What's in the package, maybe? What are you guys doing?
Oh, you want to know what we're going to do besides this machine?
Yes.
We are going to give you some wonderful things. Many of you that have been to our store know that we have over, now I think it's like 10,000 bolts of fabric.
Thank you, Debbie.
Debbie's our fabric buyer.
I know we have less than that now. Can I go out and buy some more, please?
No.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. That was a yes, wasn't it? Yes.
I know it's going to happen anyway. So we decided to give you $500 free of fabric when you purchase this with a non-refundable $500 deposit. So these machines are actually coming in very quickly. We have 2 of them now, and we are going to be showing you one today. And how soon do you think they'll get them, Debbie? Do you know? It's a stump question. Do you know, Mary?
No, I do not.
It's going to be soon. We hope it'll be soon. We hope mid-August. And
Could you repeat the price? I think I cut you off.
$500 deposit, non-refundable, and you are then going to get $500 worth of free fabric. And let me tell you, our fabric is wonderful. Now,
they get their fabric before they...
Yeah.
could they get their fabric before they get their machine?
Yes.
They can? Okay,
they're all saying yes.
We might have to
that
discuss
one.
that. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what about for those of you that nobody can ever have enough fabric? I know that. So those of you, however, that don't have a pressing and a really good pressing machine, do you know what I'm talking about?
Iron?
Can you see something behind me? What's this, Mary? Hey, look at this. This is the new lift from Laura Starr.
It's so nice.
It's one of the things that you're going to be able to do with this new machine is choose either the white or the red or the $500 worth of fabric.
Wow.
So it's an unbelievable, and do you want to read what this says?
Hygienic steam effect kills 99.999%
of the COVID germs and bacteria.
And it is certified, Linda.
It is,
comes
yeah.
with the certificate.
Yeah, which we've never had. They did huge testing in labs. They've been doing this for a long time, so we're very, very fortunate that you have something like this. So either this, or remember, you can never have too much fabric. So $500, and that is with your $500 deposit, of course, which is non-refundable. Now, I am pretty excited to tell you all about what happened this morning we released a very short video that Mary did because she's been testing this, as we said, for a long time. And that video, what happened with that video?
We have 5 pre-orders.
So we are just blown away by what we knew that was going to happen when we saw this machine. So don't wait, because this is a pre-order special where you will get either the Laura Star or the $500 worth of free fabric. And we were doing it for the first 10 people, but because we didn't get this video out, we did the shorter one. We're going to go ahead and do it for 10 more. Once those 10 are gone, and you're one of them, then be sure you know that we aren't going to be able to give these anymore. You still will have a wonderful, wonderful Serger. So let's get Debbie over here, because I can't wait to open this up. Coming, Debbie? Okay.
Here we go. Unboxing.
Oh, this is exciting.
Okay, what have we got? First thing.
This is the dust cover for the
Whoa.
machine. Beautiful.
Oh, look
You've
at
done
this.
A nice job on it.
Mary, look at this.
Oh, this is the slide-on tray for the machine.
Okay, wait.
Oop.
This is
Oh, the manuals.
and
And there's a quick start reference guide out of cardboard. It's really
I
nice.
love this.
Oh, this is your
Thread catcher.
thread catcher. Thank
okay,
you.
we got 2 really important things for Bernina that are
Aw.
working on the Serger
freehand system
and
and the kickstart needle up, needle down.
and an
for the
electrical
Serger.
cord.
Can't run a machine without it.
Yes. Okay, wait, there might even be a machine in here, guys.
Maybe so.
Oh, exciting. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, there's a little
There's
box.
something else.
Ooh,
Oh.
there's something else.
Look
What's
at that
this, Mary?
beautiful
This
box.
is the accessory box, Bernina, a collectible tin. You can only get one with the purchase of the machine. And it has all of our tools in it, and it has a seam guide in it also.
My favorite.
It's adjustable, Linda. It'll fit on your guide there, your table, and then you move it over and slide it over so you can run your fabric.
So
and
you
I'll
don't
be
have to
showing
put
this
tape?
more.
no more
No
tape?
more tape.
Oh, I love it. Okay.
Okay, ready for the machine?
Okay, wait. Oh my God.
Let's go
This is
for
great.
it.
Woo!
There you go.
Oh my gosh, one person can lift it up. That's
Lift
pretty
comes
cool.
out.
Hey.
Oh, Mary, it's
that back.
beautiful.
Thread tree comes up nice and tall, one of the tallest I've seen, so you have good thread flow. The Bernina opens up the door. I think we were going to try and turn it on.
Yes, let's
Oh.
plug it in.
Okay.
That's what we
And
have.
what-
the electrical cord for.
My favorite.
Wait, Mom, let's get it plugged in.
Okay.
All right.
All right. And she's going to show you something really cool down here. Right here
Wait,
and
wait
right
till you
here.
see it. We're waiting for the lights. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. Look at that bright LED lighting.
Ooh,
This
nice.
swings out, but so does the foot.
Oh, a swing out foot.
A swing out foot. Why do you want to swing out foot, Linda?
So you can thread your needle real easily, and you can get into
yes,
the leopard,
very
the
easy,
loopers.
Very easy. And we have a free arm system,
Mm.
which will close up when you put on your slide-on tray.
Right around
There
here.
we go.
Wow.
So this has so many bells and whistles and up higher.
Up higher.
There we go.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
love
Yes.
it.
Nice.
Yes. So it helps support.
Nice.
It's a beautiful machine. I could go
All of
on and
these
on.
too.
We have tools on board here. We have our needles, your brush, your needle inserter, your hexagonal screwdriver, and Bernina's nice tweezers. So all the tools you really need.
And what's this?
Ooh,
Blue and red.
that is your upper and lower air threading.
Wow.
Yay.
But unlike other machines, you don't have to put the thread into the little porthole.
You mean you don't have to thread it down and keep pushing it in?
No, it will automatically grab the thread and pull it down.
So
And-
are we going to show that?
Pushing the foot control, right?
Yes,
That's how you
it
get the air.
automatically does
Boom.
it.
Oh my
And
gosh, I
it's
can't-
so sweet.
I can't wait for you to see it. So I guess what we're going to do now is thread it up. And then, Mary, you're going to show them some of the features of it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Mom and I are going to go have a glass of wine, and we're going to let Mary do the work.
Yes.
I
See you
think
later,
I think
everyone.
our tech guy over there is going to go too.
I'll see
wait
you
a minute. That might
Mary,
be a
I'll see you
problem.
at lunch then.
Okay.
Oh, you're right. This is morning. Oh, we're not
That's
supposed to do that, are we?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Maybe
See you
we'll have a
soon, guys.
coffee.
Bye. This is Mary. I'm here in front of the Bernina Serger, the L850, and I'm going to show you a few of the specialty things on it that we've already mentioned. It has air threading. I'm going to thread the upper looper up first. I've already threaded the lower looper just to show you that I can do it in any order I choose to. What's different with the Bernina Serger is that instead of like the other brands where you have to put this into the little hole and then shoot it through, the Bernina with the foot-driven action will actually suck it in and shoot it into my upper looper, which is over. And you're going to watch here as it sucks it in with the foot control. You blink, you miss it, but I hope you saw how quickly it pulled it from me. Now I'm going to turn my presser foot out with the swivel action and let you see how easy with the needle threader it is to thread the needles. And I'm going to try and stay out of camera range so that you can see this. And it's as simple as that. Bring it through under the foot again, put my foot back in place, raise my blade, and we're ready to go. I want to talk about this little dial here. It's called the micro thread control. It's unique to Bernina Sergers. What it does is it allows you that when you have a little bit of overgap on the thread on the edge, by turning the MTC dial, you can close that gap up so you don't have to play with your tensions, that type of thing. Some other nice features are this foam pad here. That's when I take out my left needle, for instance, and I have to put it in here to do a rolled edge because I know I'm going to use that needle again. I'd rather have it in one of these spaces rather than back in my package. So let's close this up and we'll do some sewing. We'll put our garbage tray back on, and then this we're going to put on. This is my seam guide, also coming with it, so I no longer have to use tape. We're ready to go. And again, we're at 1,500 stitches per minute. We will be now. I have a thread trimmer here, which got all 4 threads. And if I want to move my guide out even more, I can. Lift up the presser foot from the beginning so I don't even have to lift up the presser foot in the back. And I can cut like that. It's a beautiful serger. Okay, for those of you who don't know what a serger does, it is a clean finish and overcasting machine, which we showed you how it cuts off and does the over edge. But what you can do with it is a lot of people do ready to wear adjusting. They do start to finish making a garment, which this is a start to finish garment, 90% done on the serger. So all my inside seams have been cut and overcast. So this will be half the time on a serger compared to on a sewing machine. What I use it for is home deck. This is a kitchen towel that we've put in and made our own piping. We've gathered, we've done a rolled edge on the bottom and then put in fabric in the middle. So we've got a whole project on a serger. It makes a nice gift or in your kitchen. Did you know you can quilt with a serger? I do a lot of quilting with the serger. This entire back has been pieced with the serger, and I've used on the front, on each of the star-shaped pinwheels, I've done a different technique, and you can see on this one, I've used decorative threads on my overlock edge on the outside so that you can see it. And in the back side, you can see where everything's been pieced. Keeping with the quilting theme, you can do what they call quilt as you go. This is actually 6 layers that we've quilted through. 2 of the layers have been our batting. And then 4 of the layers will be your cotton. And as you add it, you're stitching through 6 layers and you're flipping and folding until you get to the end. So this was done on a serger, 6 layers. It handles it no problem at all. Here is a travel wristlet purse. This is a rolled edge. It's also your mock quilting little corner piece. You can insert a zipper with the serger. Very, very easy. So this entire little tote, including pockets on the inside, has been done on a serger. A larger tote bag. This is a 20-minute project. It's completely reversible. That's done on a serger. Little baby bonnet is made on a serger. Wine bags are such a nice gift, either a wine bag or a gift bag. This takes no more than 15-20 minutes. We would have gathered our tube here simply by tying and pulling. But again, all your seams are clean finished on the serger. Again, this is a 15-minute project. Another zippered tote bag, one of my favorites to do. Again, inserting the zipper by way of the serger. More examples of quilting on your serger. Here's one of my favorites, putting together flannel on the serger. Log cabin quilt. You can quilt on the serger. The straight lines add itself wonderfully to the serger. So again, my backside is finished on the serger. And that one square, when you add multiple squares to it, gives you a beautiful table topper for at your holidays. This is a log cabin quilted table topper. And again, everything done on the serger. So now that you've seen what the Bernina L850 serger does, you can call the store to get in on the ordering with your non-refundable $500 deposit. And what that will do is it will secure you the beautiful machine. You have your choice of $500 worth of fabric or the Laura Star Lift, which is, it does, as we said here, hygienic steam cleaning, and it will kill the viruses and the bacteria. So please, we have a limited supply. Call the store today, 847-394-4590, and ask for Mary or Debbie, and we'll be glad to help you put down a deposit and secure one of these machines along with the promotional value. Thank you.